So we are almost at the conclusions. The challenge showed us that at the end, we still have to learn a lot, right? And we have like a benchmark now where we can test and then compare different methods and build on top of this. So maybe we all together, Alexander, Andrei, Part, we can conclude, right? And give indications on the poster session.
Sure. Thank you, Luigi. I also want to thank everyone, all the co-organizer, all the participants, the speakers. It was a great experience. It's my first online workshop in this format, so it was fantastic. I've learned a lot, and it worked very well. So thank you, everyone. Thank you for all the great questions also. And hopefully we will be able to continue this type of workshop, either virtually or in person. So I look forward for the rest.
Yeah, I will also add, yes, thank you, everybody. Maybe I just want to share my screen again for the last touch. So let's see. Just again, thank you. I guess you see my screen now. This is a word cloud describing all the topics, all the words, almost all, that we have encountered during this workshop. Keywords as human, prediction, interaction, learning, navigation. And this is actually a quite complex cloud, which is also describing the complex topic that we are working on. It's quite difficult. We are trying to do our best to try to find solutions. Yeah, I think we should go on with this kind of discussions all together with different people coming from different words of the scientific words, from research, from companies, academic institutions. Last thing maybe that that we should discuss is also, you see my screen, right? So if you go on the website, in the program page, at the end of the page, you have a list of, the list of papers which have been accepted, so the list of posters. And then you can find already the PDF, the PDF of the paper, but also the slides, so the poster. And now we have also rooms which have been created by the authors of the papers. And then you can now simply join the rooms and continue the workshop on these rooms. We are essentially finishing here from the main room, and we just go, each one of us can essentially simply go into these rooms and then see the results of these papers.
So we are updating the final rooms now, and the remaining two will appear in a couple of minutes.
Exactly. Okay.
So yeah, also from my side, big thanks for all the speakers and everybody who asked questions. This was a really nice experience. We will definitely continue working on the topic. We will definitely continue working on bringing the workshops together, bringing the community together. And I definitely agree with Luigi that an interdisciplinary approach to this problem is wonderful, is very valuable. So that we can learn a lot from the adjacent communities. If you have any further questions, we are always there on Slack, so don't hesitate to contact us. And we wish you a great ICRA ahead.
Thank you, Luigi.
So,
Thank you, Andre.
thank you
Thank you
all.
very much.
Yeah.
See you.
So see you at the poster.
Stay safe.
Thanks.
Thank you. See you.
Ciao.
So should I leave? Should I close this room?